RHS Pre-Calculus presents Learning Your Way Around Trig College, Verifying Trig Identities. Welcome to Trig College, where you can verify your identity. It's the Friday of Daisy's first week at Trig College. She has a new class today and doesn't know where it is. She asked her roommate, who is a junior, for some help.
Hey Stacy,
Yeah,
I have a new class today. Could you show me how to get there?
of course. I had a hard time finding my way around when I first got here. If you want, I can show you how to find any address, so you can do it from your own now on.
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Okay, what's the class?
It's Biology 2, and the address is cosine theta.
Okay, so our address is 1 plus cosecant theta over secant theta minus cotangent theta. The general rules for finding the address you're looking for is go down a street that has factored, squared a binomial, gotten rid of the denominator, or use the fundamental trig identities to change our address. Here are some trig identities you might need. If you're not sure to go, try going down streets that are all sines and cosines. A tip for you though, always remember where you're trying to go and always pick a street. Even if you reach a dead end, at least you won't be in the same spot. And the most important thing, there's always more than one way to get to your destination. Some are just faster than others.
Okay, I think I got all of that.
Okay, I'll show you exactly how to get to your class by writing out the directions and showing you a map.
Sounds good. Thank you for helping me.
Okay, first what we want to do is take secant out of the denominator. And we know dividing something is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal, which is 1 over secant theta. Now, according to the reciprocal identity, 1 over secant theta is the same thing as cosine. Then we can distribute cosine theta for 1 and cosecant theta, which gives us 1 over sine theta times cosine theta over 1. Now we multiply these two together, which gives us cosine theta over sine theta. According to the quotient identity, that equals cotangent theta. And cotangent theta minus cotangent theta just leaves us with cosine theta, which is the Biology 2 building's address.
Okay, that seems easy enough. I think I can get around campus now. Thanks.
No problem.
Later that day, when Daisy had successfully made it to all her classes without getting lost, she went back to her friend Annabelle's dorm room. Annabelle asked her if she wanted to go to a social gathering at the college's only fraternity house.
So, do you want to go to secant beta with me now?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Just one catch though. I don't know how to get there. I know the address.
I totally know how to get around. What is it?
Well, the frat house is secant beta, and my address is tangent beta times cotangent beta over cosine beta.
Seems easy enough. So since we start at tan beta times cotangent beta over cosine beta, we can use the quotient identity to turn tan beta into sine beta over cosine beta and cotangent beta into cosine beta over sine beta. Multiplying those together, they cancel each other out to equal 1. We are left with 1 over cosine beta, and using our reciprocal identity, we get secant beta, which is the fraternity house's address.
Whoa, that seems confusing.
It's really not that hard once you know the rules. I'll teach them to you tomorrow.
Sounds good to me. Let's go to secant beta now.
Okay. I really love Trig College already.
Me too, and I really feel like everything about it is reassuring me who I am.
I feel the same way.
The end.